Okay, I'm going to show you guys a quick magic trick I learned with some waxed floss. First, you're going to open up your floss. I'm going to take maybe like 4 pieces of floss. Don't need this anymore. We're going to take 3 of your pieces of floss in one hand, keep the other piece. Just going to roll them into a little ball. You're going to take them, you're going to attach it to this other ball, and since it's wax, it should stick. You just got to kind of roll it a little bit. And you got your little ball of stuff attached to it. Then you got to squeeze really hard. Say something magical. Something magical. And pull on it. Pull on it. Just keep giving it some little tugs. And all your pieces are now fused together. So, this is the repaired floss magic trick. Any questions? You want to learn how to do it?